Dear students, in this video, let us discuss one more example on implementing interface in class. Okay, so implementing interface. In the previous video, I have already discussed about one example to show how to implement interface in class. This is one more example on implementing interface. Okay, let's get started. In this example, I am going to create interface now. To create interface, first use interface keyword, interface name, that is item 1. Okay, in this interface I am going to declare one method void item number. Instead of void, I will take it as int. Okay, item number int x. Now this is one interface. One more interface I will define, that is item 2, and in this interface I am going to declare one method void item name string yes. Okay, now two interfaces I have defined. Item 1 is one interface, item 2 is one interface, and both the interfaces are having concrete methods, that is method without definition. Item number is one method and item name is one method. Okay, now I will create one class example, and in this class example I am going to implement these two interfaces. Implements is keyword, implements item 1 comma item 2. You can observe here I am implementing both the interfaces, item 1 and item 2, right? So when we are implementing more than one interfaces, those interface names will be separated by commas. Okay, now in this class what I will do, first I will, because I am implementing item 1 and item 2 interfaces, in this class I should implement item number method and item name method. So let's implement these two methods in the class. Int item number, int item number, int x, int x. In this method I am going to add one print statement, system dot out dot println item number is equal to plus x. Okay, and one more method I need to implement from item 2, that is item name. To implement this item name, again I will define void item name string yes. In this method I will write one print statement, that is system dot out dot println. Okay. Now in this print method, I am going to print item name plus s. Okay. Now this is what? Class example. Now I will write one more class. Let's say class demo. In this class, I will define main method, public static void main string arguments. Okay. And in this main method, I will create one object of class example. To create object of class example, take class name and object name. Object name I will take it as obj, new operator and default constructor of the class. Now by using object, what I will do? I will call method item number and item name. Object dot item object dot here item number should be written like this. Item number item name. Okay. Now item number, in item number method call, I will pass value of x, that is 10. Okay. And in item name method, I will pass value of item name. Let's say milk. Okay. Okay. This is what example for implementing interfaces in class. I have created two interfaces. In the first interface, item 1, I have declared one method called item name, item number, which is of type integer, and I am passing one argument, that is x, which is of type integer. And one more interface I have defined here, that is item 2. In this interface, I have declared one method, item name, where I am passing string parameter. Yes. Okay. And I have created one class called example, which implements both the interfaces item 1 and item 2. When it is implementing both the interfaces, the methods that are declared in both the interfaces should be defined in class example, that we already know. So that is why int item num within this method, what I have done, I have implemented this method by adding or by writing one print ln statement to print the value of item number. So it prints, when this method executes, it prints item number is equal to, and it concatenates the number of item, that is value of x. In the same way, I have defined item name method. Okay. So in the definition of item name method, I have written one print statement to print the name of item. So it prints item name and the value of item name in the form of string, because this is string variable. Okay. Now I have created one class demo. In this class, in the main method, inside the main method, I have created one object for class example. Okay. We already know in the previous videos that how to create objects. Object has been created for example class now. Now by using this object, obj is the object name of class example. Okay. Now by using this object, what I am doing, I am calling method item number and item name. So when I call method item number, I am passing value 10. Now this is the value for x, because x is of type integer. So value of x is what? 10 now. And when this method item number is executed, it prints statement item number is equal to 10, because plus x concatenates value 10. That is what I have passed here, right? Then after I am calling item name method by using the same object, and I am passing one name value for item name, that is what milk. This will be the value of yes. Okay. This will be the value of yes, which is of type string. Now it prints item name and it concatenates value of s. What is value of s currently? Milk. So it concatenates milk after printing item name. In this example, I have tried to show or I have tried to explain how to implement more than one interface in single class, and how to implement the methods of more than one interfaces in single class. Okay. So this is one simple example to show implementing more than one interface in a single class. I hope you have understood. Thank you.